So I'm sure you heard about ChatGPT 3 and that maybe we will become obsolete because this AI will code faster than we do and it will be cheaper and we will be unemployed, or you see all this kind of nonsense that we've been hearing for 3 weeks now. So don't worry, I've been programming professionally for 20 years now. I started in 2003, and I can tell you, if it's your first time that you heard that you will be replaced by something, so welcome in our world where you will hear this kind of nonsense almost every other year. At first, we've been told, oh, you will be replaced as a web programmer by libraries or tools like Dreamweaver. Then it was WordPress. Then it was offshore. So you see, there will still be human that will program, but they will be way cheaper than you are. So you see, I wouldn't say every other year, but maybe every 4 or 5 years, there will be a new breaking news announcing us that we will disappear, we will become obsolete. So if it's your first time, welcome in this crazy world of ours, of programmers. Don't panic. Your customers, they don't want to deal with an AI. They want you to be in front of them to explain them what you are doing, what issues you are facing, how you will solve them. They want you to suggest alternative solutions when something doesn't seem to go as planned. So you see, there are many reasons why a paying customer won't use an AI or won't ask you to use an AI to cut prices, because very often companies need you to program an app because they need this app to make money, and so it's really often the heart of their business. So they don't want to rely just on an AI to produce an app that then will be used by other employers. If you look at this way, there is absolutely no reason to panic. Play with these AIs, play with Copilot. I enjoyed it really. So when I used Copilot, it was an alternative way for me to have suggestions about things I wasn't sure of. It simply replaced Google searches and Stack Overflow searches, you see, so it didn't replace me. It gave me an alternative way of having suggestions of way of doing something I wasn't sure about. Same with ChatGPT 3. It may help you develop very simple things that maybe you don't enjoy that much doing, but it won't replace you, because in a real world app, there is a level of complexity that so far, what I've seen with ChatGPT, it's not something that ChatGPT will do for you. So just relax, enjoy the show, because sometimes it's just a complete nonsense. Keep looking at what AIs are producing, because maybe you will integrate some of the things the AI is producing for you to maybe offer a nice option, or maybe to add a functionality to a SaaS project you are developing. But there is no reason in 2023 to panic, and probably not for a couple of years or 5 years down the road. So keep on coding, and I'll see you in the next video.